Good, what's good? Welcome back. Sorry, I had gum in my mouth. How rude. To invest and trade with Jax, we're going to go over our friend Gala Games. Currently, we're sitting at 0.064, up 4.3 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 441 million. 24-hour volume, 215 million. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So if we come up and break this high, we'd be looking at a wave 3. So potentially, I was looking at an ABC, but what we might be going through here is that we had our wave 1, which is labeled here in red. We had a wave 2 pullback. We did come down to the minimum, which is the 0.382. We almost came down to the 0.5. So potentially, I'm probably going to have to, let me quickly look at this. Yeah. Just give me a second here, guys, to make this much smaller. Okay. Yellow, I think yellow is okay. Okay, perfect. So potentially what I'm looking at here is that we put in a wave 1 of the wave 3. So here's your wave 1. This is your wave 2 pullback here, and we might be putting in a 1, 2. And then we put in our wave 3, our wave 4, and our wave 5 to complete the wave 3. I'm just going to take the line out. Oh, no, this is fib retracement. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so potentially we have to move this over. Potentially what I'm looking at here is that we put in a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback. So if we can come up and break this high, we'd be looking at a wave 3 within the wave 3. And to measure that, take your trend base to extension from the bottom of your wave 1, which is right here, up to the top to the bottom of the wave 2. And your wave 3 could take you right up to about 0.075. And then you see your wave 4 pullback, your final wave 5, which would complete the wave 3 within the wave 3, which is in white here, which is our largest wave count, where we've come up in a wave 1. This is your wave 2 pullback. Put in that wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And if we completed that 5-wave structure, which would lead to a larger wave 1, then potentially what we'd be looking at here for Gala is that we bottomed. We came down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know you can't really see it right here. If we complete a 5-wave structure to the upside, more confirmation that the bottom could be in for our friend Gala. I still think there's going to be one more wave down in the market, but if we continue to push up Ethereum and Bitcoin, it will start to invalidate that, and we'll have to be looking at the bullish scenario as the more probable scenario. Now, if we pop over to our next chart here, we've been watching this descending triangle pattern, which we did break out to the upside with the successful backtest. So we could just be coiling up before seeing a huge breakout to take you all the way up to 11 cents, which would be a juicy gain here of about 95%. Now, I'm not saying that this is the bottom, but if this were to be the bottom, then for the next bull market, you would target at a minimum the 1.618, which is coming in at $4.97. And from the current price, that's a juicy gain of basically 8,000%, which is an 80x. So let's say you put in $10,000 right here, and it reached the 1.618, basically you would get $800,000 in return, which is insane. That's the power of crypto. Gala Games is one of my largest holdings. It is my largest holding in the metaverse space. Look to continue to add my position, especially if we break lower. Personally, I hope the market does break lower so I can get in at cheaper prices, but if it doesn't, that's perfectly okay. And we'll just play it here day by day. So if we can get back above the EMAs, that would be another strong bullish statement, have the bullish cross. Potentially, we could see a large breakout all the way up to about 11 cents. And from the current price, that's a juicy gain of about 76%. For our friend Gala Games. All right, guys, so if we come up and break this high, our wave 3 target within the wave 3 could take you up to 0.075. But if we do fail to break that high, we roll over, we lose these lows, and then potentially we're still looking at a corrective wave 2. But as of right now, it looks like the bullish scenario has a good chance of playing out as long as we come up and break this high. But of course, anything can happen, so always be prepared. Personally, I still have some of my Gala trade open from all the way down here, all the way back here. So I'll probably look to add to my position if we break this high. And my stop loss is, of course, at break even, as you should always manage your risk. All right, guys, if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, currently making juicy gains on Gala, Matic, as well well as Ethereum. Just locked in 25% profit. My exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. Recently locked in juicy gains on Link, 21% profit, and just locked in 23% profit on DOT as well. So you can sign up through the Patreon link. It's only 10 USD per month. And you also have access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Check out my full length tutorial, up to $4,500 in bonuses over on Bybit. You can follow me on IG to keep up with my travels and personal life. I only have one IG, so make sure to use the link. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.